Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Today I am back with another topic, that is people usually ask that where to start the investment, how to start the investment, and how come we can generate a good passive income. So thinking about this, I want to share a basic knowledge for you that if you want to start, you should start at least from a minimum you have, but always diversify it. Meaning if you can save $100 per month, $500 per month, it is not the issue. At least you should start from any point. When you getting started, first write it down your issues. Issues means write it down your goals. Why do you want to save? When you write the goals, you will get the answer at how to achieve the goal. For how to achieve the goal, make the strategy. So basically for doing any investment, you have to be clear in your mind that you should create a diversified portfolio. Like for diversification, create a investment breakup, like what amount you would be investing in property, what amount you would be investing in commodities, what amount you would be investing in stock exchange, what amount you would be investing in fixed income. So when you create this, you have to first diversify your portfolio. For diversification, write down the points of opportunities you have available at that time. Never put all your eggs in one bucket. Always keep the portfolio diversified. When diversifying, you have to take a minimum risk. Risk cannot be at zero every time. You have to take some risk, but the risk should be calculated. How to calculate the risk? You have to diversify. Never take the aggressive opportunities which can drain your investment. Always keep the track of your investment in the diversified portfolio. Break down your investment in risky opportunities and non-risky opportunities. Take the risk as per your appetite, and your appetite is like your age is 20 years, so you can take the risk of 40% of your investment, 50% of your investment, 25% of investment. It totally depends what is your risk appetite. To understand the risk, you can refer to my other videos for risk, for sleep test, which is, I will also drop the link in the description, that what is the sleep test for the investment as per your appetite. Now within the sectors, like in property, if you are investing in property, also diversify the properties, like buy the properties in different areas, so that you could not be depend upon only one property. Like if you are investing in stock exchange, diversify your stock exchange portfolio in different sectors, like cement sector, steel sector, electric and power sector, IT sector, so that your risk should be calculated and mitigated. In the end, I just want to make a disclaimer that this video is only for information. You should consult first to your financial advisor and tax advisors. Do not take it as a final thought. You should be consulting your consultants. You should be reviewing your financial appetite, your risk appetite, and your investment appetite. Then take any decision. And this information is for general rule, and it's not comfortably good for everyone. So take the risk which is a good appetite for you, and start creating your passive income. I can only motivate you. You should be considering all your facts first, and then make an investment and make a portfolio for yourself. Well, I am done for today. Thank you so much.